जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindha-kanda. Then just before meeting Sugriva, Hanuma again has taken Bhikshurupam so that Sugriva would believe him, because when he left from Sugriva, he was in the Bhikshurupam. Again he wanted to make sure the same Bhikshurupam Sugriva would see, so that Sugriva would believe in him. Sugriva would not feel bad. That is what happened. After again Sugriva and Rama got their friendship, then Hanuma is now withdrawing his Bhikshurupam and has taken Vanara Rupam. Then Hanuma brought 2 wood pieces and rubbed each other, created Agni, Aranimadhanam he did, and then created fire. Then he did worshipped that fire. He put that fire in between Rama and Sugriva. Then Rama, Sugriva, while holding each other hands, Tatognim Dipyamanantu Chakratuscha Pradakshinam. Both of them did Pradakshinam to Agni, and then they did Sneham. They did their friendship, taking Agni as witness. Now Sugriva is saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, I like your friendship. I like you so much. Ekam now onwards, ekam dukkham sukhancha now. From now onwards, your grief is my grief. Your pleasure is my pleasure." Like that Sugriva said to Ramachandra Swami, and then Sugriva broke one big branch of tree, and on which again Rama and Sugriva sitting together. Then Hanuma went and broke other sandalwood big branch of tree and asked Lakshmana to sit on that. Now Sugriva is looking at Rama. Sugriva's eyes are filled up with happy tears. He is saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, my brother Vali cheated me. My brother Vali abducted my wife. That is why with fear I am wandering in this forest. Oh Rama, now you give me a word. You give me a word so that my fear would go away. Oh Rama, whatever you feel that to do so that my fear would go away, please do that." Like that Sugriva asked Rama. Then Rama, while giving a nice smile to Sugriva, he is saying that, "Oh Sugriva, it's not a big thing. I can do it very easily. Don't worry. Sneham means friendship, means helping each other. I know that. Now, Valinam tam vadishyami tava bharyapaharinam. I would definitely kill Vali who abducted your wife. Oh Sugriva, with my sharp arrows, with my snake-like arrows, I am definitely going to kill Vali. You can consider that Vali is dead now." Like that when Rama said, Sugriva felt so happy, and again responding to Rama like this. Sugriva saying that, "Rama, with your blessings, I feel that Priyancha Rajyancha Samapnuyam Aham. I feel that, I believe that I will get my wife back and I will get my kingdom back with your blessings. Oh Rama, now you start making plans to kill my brother Vali." Like this Sugriva said to Rama. When Sugriva and Rama became friends, when Sugriva and Rama made their friendship taking fire as witness, at that time, at the same time, Sitamma's left eye shaked. Vali's left eye shaked. All the demons' left eyes shaked, which is good woman to Sitamma, bad woman to Vali, bad omen to all the demons. Now all of this happened at a time. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.